everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in the morning, as I was coming to Coach's house, near the house we found some mushroom. I thought, why not I make a first mukbang vlog with mushroom. Okay, I would like to say thank you to my coach and Bobby for preparing this all. I'll show you. Okay, the chutney, motor and pias. Okay, and then with 2 pieces of raja marcha. Okay, aloo, cucumber. The most awaited one. Before I start, I'll show you where we found the mushroom. Ekta tu daru paile phala sile nika karten de. Oh! Guys, this mushroom is not very tasty. Okay, the roots used to be very deep. Okay, so we should have to dig it. Guys, from this place found this much. Okay. Putting this will be my first time, okay, doing mukbang vlog. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, guys, let's start first by mushroom. Okay. Let's go. The motor chutney. While I was in the hostel, we used to watch mukbang vlog. Okay, so finally I'm also doing the first time mukbang vlog. So let's go. Guys, one thing, my coach very good. Okay, very good in badminton. Very good in cooking also. Okay, I have been staying 2 or 3 months. Okay, with coach and Bobby, and then his cooking style is very good. Okay, guys. And it's so raja marcha is very raja. Okay, so hot. And also, guys, if the weather is good, then I'll be doing my hometown tour. Okay, so please do watch. Okay, I'll be doing soon the hometown tour. Guys, it's very spicy. Okay, I'm about to finish, guys. I forgot to have this one. I'm done. Okay, and it was very tasty. I'll end my vlog here, and then I hope you like it. It was my first time. Okay, as the day pass on, I will be doing more and more video, and also keep supporting me. And then wait. Okay, there. Chalo. Thank you. Bye bye. Bisi salah saya.
Bisi kayaknya 3 minggu sih. Mau ya, kamu salah sih.